I sure hope Annabelle likes these flowers. Annabelle?
Oh, Eek! My hero!
Annabelle, kumbaya! It appears that terrible science experiment gone mad has turned Annabelle into a giant. And a hungry giant at that. Wait! Come back!
Well, Hank, it appears this sportly pink pussycat, monstrosity must be stopped.
That's right, Jib. I guess we'll have to, open fire.
Hey! Wait! Don't hurt Annabelle! Yeah! Kumbaya, what a silly dream. 50-foot Annabelles.
Excuse me, little kitty. I'm the 50-foot-tall result of a science project gone wrong, and I was passing through on my way to destroy the city when I knocked over a mailbox. This letter fell out, and I believe it's for this address.
Well, kumbaya, isn't that thoughtful? This is for my neighbor, Sharky. I'll be sure and give it to him.
Thanks. See you later.
Enjoy destroying our city, Mrs. 50-foot lady, ma'am. Hello, Sharky, it's me, Eek. He must not be home. I'll just push this through Sharky's mail slot. Hey, Sharky, looks like you danced into a tree. I guess the tree bark was worse than its bite. And you dropped this. Kumbaya. Patriotic Warrior Platinum speaking at your 10-year reunion. Boy, that's neat. You just need a ride there, you say? Hey! It's Elmo the Elf! Say, Elmo, I wonder if you could give us a lift to Sharky's obedience school reunion. Sharky's hero, Platinum's gonna be there.
What a coincidence! I'm supposed to meet Platinum right after this very function. She's going on to challenge Patriotic Warrior Roboticus the Disturbed Android for the World Championship, and has graciously offered to donate the prize money to help Timmy get his much-needed operation.
Kumbaya, Elmo, what's wrong with Timmy this time?
Oh, Eek, it's terrible. Timmy accidentally swallowed his mood ring.
Kumbaya. Hello, were you a classmate at Sharky's?
Hey, man, you know what they say. If you remember obedience school, you weren't there, man.
And now I'd like to welcome our guest speaker, a warrior just like us and a fine young lady, too. Patriotic Warrior and soon-to-be World Patriotic Warrior Champion, Platinum.
This is it, Sharky. This is your chance. Go get her autograph. Sharky, wait! Your shoe's untied. You'll trip! Kumbaya, Miss Platinum. Are you okay?
Well, I'm basically all right, but it looks like I twisted my ankle.
How are you going to take on Roboticus the Disturbed Android for the World Championship and use the prize money to help little Timmy get his operation?
I'm afraid we'll have to find someone to take my place until I can be well again.
Sharky says it's only right that he represent you and Timmy in a championship match, since this whole mess is is partially his fault.
But what do you know about battling the likes of Roboticus, the Disturbed Android Patriotic Warrior?
I know, Platinum. We can help train Sharky. We'll bring in the best to train this little guy right here.
You betcha! If anyone can get this little doggy into tip-top shape, it's us!
And so, in a display of audacity, this bloated purple cat and a hapless antler-encumbered elk stepped in to do the impossible, to make a small, flabby shark dog into a world champion.
That's it, Sharky. Become one with your inner puppy. Touch that place inside yourself where, that important part wiggles free.
Forget that. At this point, lunch is everything. Let's go back to shore.
I'm with you, man. Let's get out of here, man. Sorry, man.
It's okay, Mittens. Accidents happen. Now we better get back to training Sharky.
Yeah, hey! Eye of the tiger, man!
That's right, Mittens. Sharky will have to give it all he's got. Eye of the tiger's right.
No, man. Eye of the tiger. They're in the bush. Run! Get out of the bush! Never get out of the bush!
And so the challenger, Sharky the Shark Dog, is ready for the fight of his life. And I must say he better be. Just look at the champion, Roboticus, the evil android, patriotic warrior. And here comes the challenger, Sharky the Shark Dog. Look at the determination, the resolve in the countenance of that diminutive canine.
Come on, Sharky. You can't back out now, man.
Do it for little Timmy.
Okay, I want a clean fight. No funny stuff.
No funny stuff? Really? Well, what about this?
No, definitely not.
How about this funny stuff? Can we do this funny stuff?
No, and I don't want to see any of this. Or this. And I definitely don't want to see any of this. Now, when you hear the bell ring, come out fighting.
Kumbaya, Sharky! Oops. Excuse me, Mr. Diabolical Robot.
Ten, 9, 8,
7, 6. Come on, Sharky, get up.
Oh, I knew he never had a chance.
5, 4, 3.
Come on, Sharky, think of Timmy!
2, 1. And the winner and patriotic warrior champion, Sharky the Shark Dog.
Eek.
Kumbaya, I'll just bet surprising Sharky with this chocolate bunny will start his day off with a smile.
The cruel Peng Huns are attacking the castle defenses. They've nearly breached the gate. We await your orders.
Well, there's only one thing to do.
Kumbaya, the dreaded penguins have almost smashed through the castle door.
I tried to tell you we should have just rung the bell. They would have welcomed us into their castle had we acted civilized.
You don't know a glutty thing, Piggy.
Well, our behavior was boorish. I'm ashamed.
Shut up, Piggy!
All hail this brave knight who saved our kingdom from the dreaded penguins!
All hail the brave knight! All hail the brave knight!
Tinkerbell's kingdom from those attacking hordes, who actually ended up being penguins, but sure gave us a scare and actually really scuffed up our front door. I, using the Eekscaliber sword, a sword embedded in stone. Knight Z. Sharky. Oops. Kumbaya! Sir Sharky has pulled the sword from the stone. Boy, I bet that'll make it a lot easier to use.
Hail, Sir Sharky! Hail, Sir Sharky! Hail, Sir Sharky!
Welcome, ladies and germs. These two lawyers go into a bar and, yeah, why bother? None of you would get it anyway. I'm sick and tired of trying to make you inferior peons laugh. You know what? Forget you.
That's the last time I hire a superior court jester.
Well then, let the feasting begin.
Hail to the Holy Grill! I love barbecues.
Kumbaya! Six Mittens, the Holy Grill! Wherefore art thou, Holy Grill?
Someone has stolen the Holy Grill. You know what that means? No more summer barbecues.
I will search the land for our Holy Grill, and this summer my kingdom will have a barbecue. Who will join me on a quest for the Holy Grill to travel the dark forests of evil and battle night-eating dragons and defend ourselves from sinister forces? Who's with me? Must be a birthday party or something somewhere. Well, brave Sir Elmo, I knew I could count on you to follow your king into the unknown.
Spider!
Yes, cider sounds good. Fetch some and we'll be off. And brave Sir Sharky, of course you can join us.
Farewell, brave knights. Oh, I hope these brave guardians of the Holy Grail will succeed, and no strange happenings will befall them.
Oh boy, do you smell that?
It's coming from in that cave. Could this be the scallywags who made off with our grill? Come on!
Oh, I better stay behind to watch for the, gas man.
Well, all right then. Hello? Hello? Hey, there's no barbecue in here. There's just this big scaly thing that, hello? Dragon!
Stay still now. I like my nights well done.
Boy, that's a bad cough. You know, smoking is really bad for you.
Yes, I know. I want to quit, but, well, you know, I'm a fire-breathing dragon.
Well, here, let me offer you a peppermint cough drop.
Well, that is wonderful. Breathing fire sure takes its toll on your throat. Is there any way I may repay you for your kindness, Purple Knight?
Well, gee, Mr. Dragon, it never hurts to help. But, well, we're looking for our stolen Holy Grill. Our kingdom can't barbecue without it.
Say no more. I have a hunch your grill was stolen by the mysterious dark knights who have suddenly appeared on that castle on the hill.
Those mysterious knights must have our Holy Grill.
Yes, but who are they?
I'll help you get up there and find out. Climb on.
Thanks, Mr. Dragon. I've never gotten a lift from a dragon before.
Don't you worry. I'll get you there in a hurry. Bye-bye.
Ow! Hey! Ouch!
I'm rich! Later. I don't need this hack job anymore. I'm rich, and you can all kiss my big, fat battle axe goodbye!
Oh boy, is that guy in for a wake-up call when he realizes that's not a real check? Look, King Eek, it is thy Holy Grail! Hell be to the...
Kumbaya, that sounds like Queen Annabelle, and she's in trouble! In the name of all that's good, unhand our queen!
Well, 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 look who it is. The Purple Fuzzy King.
That's right. And I'm here to save our queen and retrieve our holy grail. It's wrong to steal.
Well, we like to barbecue as much as the next guy, and we have quite a journey ahead of us.
Journey?
Yes, to the other side of the galaxy. And as far as your precious queen goes, well, she does make a fine battery for our...
spaceship! Circle this filthy planet one last time before we destroy it with our death ray.
But why, Zoltar? Why? Why would you want to destroy a planet that can give us so many wonderful things? Like oceans and laughter and little Richard Bautista and warm summer nights and Ray Charles and honeybees and Jenny McCarthy and dewdrops and...
Silence! I must destroy your pathetic planet because we Zoltarians are redecorating the galaxy and Earth's blue color just clashes with the rest of the universe.
Well, I was not aware.
Now, destroy that planet!
Monster! Eating the sun!
Huh?
Abandon ship! Abandon ship!
Sheesh. I was just looking for another cough drop, and now look what's happened.
My hero.
I'll be glad to give you another cough drop when we get back on the ground, Mr. Dragon. Right now, I think we better get out of this crashing spaceship.
No problem, Chef Fuzzball. I'll give you a ride. Up on my back.
Quick, grab the holy grill.
Mommy, why?
Well, brave Sir Elmo, we saved Queen Annabelle, thwarted the Zoltarians, and retrieved the holy grill. And I can't help thinking that we forgot something.
Excuse me. I was wondering if you might spare a cough drop.